Welcome back to my channel, Education Station. We are going to study Chapter 4, Operation and Fraction, Standard 6, Mathematics. So in previous video, I have shared you and explained you about what is fraction, what is numerator, what is denominator, what is improper fraction, what is mixed number, how to convert improper fraction into a mixed number, and how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. And if we have to write the examples of it, how can we are going to write. Now in this video, I'm going to explain you addition and subtraction of mixed numbers and some word problems to solve in this. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, do subscribe the channel, and if you haven't watched that video, first go and watch that and then come to this video and watch it again. Okay, let's begin with the chapter. Let's take a number which is given in your textbook. I am taking the same number, 5 1 by 2 plus 2 3 by 4. See, there are two methods to solve this. Let me show you the first method. Firstly, we can add this numbers 5 plus 2 and then the fractional numbers like 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 7 plus, see, as these fractional numbers are improper fraction, we have to make it like fraction. Like fraction means where the denominator are equal or same. So to make this fraction like fraction, I'm going to multiply this by 2 plus 3 by 4. Therefore 7 plus 2 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4, which I can write it as 7 plus 2 plus 3 is your 5 and 4 this. So I'll get the answer, which we can write it as 7 plus 1 plus 5 upon 1 upon 4. Because this now you are wondering it from where we get this one. See, when the number is 5 upon 4 means 5 is your dividend. Yes, 5 is your dividend and 4 is your divisor. So in 4 ones are there is 4 and then the remainder remains as 1. So if I write this number in the mixed number, I will going to write it as 1 upon 4. The same I have wrote here. Okay, the same I have wrote here, which is equal to then 8 1 upon 4. And then there is another method by which we can get this. Okay, the number was 5 1 upon 2 plus 2 3 upon 4. So we can see, we're going to elaborate each fractions properly. See, whenever these fractions are there now, so we multiply this number with denominator and add with numerator. We multiply this, the number which is there 5, we're going to multiply by denominator and plus by numerator. Means our number will be 5 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so in the same way we're going to write over here. Therefore 5 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus again 2 into 4 plus 1 upon 4. Our answer will be 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 upon 2 plus 2 4s are 8 plus 1. Okay, wait, I think I have written wrong something here. It's not 1, it's 3. It's 3. So 2 into 4 8, 8 plus 3 11. 11 upon 4. Now our fraction is there. Now we have converted this mixed number into an improper fraction. Now it's an improper fraction. So to add this number, we have to convert it into like fractions. So we can easily multiply this 11 by 2 by 2. Then we will get the number as 22 upon 4 plus 11 upon 4, which is then equal to 33 upon 4. And if I convert this number into a mixed fraction, I'm going to get 8 1 by 4. The same which we have did there as well. The same number we are going to get here. Okay, now moving to next. Let's see the subtraction. So let's take one number for subtraction as well. So I'm taking the number as 3 2 upon 5 minus 2 1 upon 7. So here as well we have to method the same as we have done addition before. The same we are going to do here. Means 3 minus 2 here will be plus, and then 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 7, which is then equal to 3 minus 2 is 1 plus. Now we have to convert this improper fractions into like fraction to subtract it. So we're going to multiply both the side by 7 minus 1 upon 7 into 5. We're going to get 1 plus 14 upon 35 minus 5 upon 35. Therefore, we're going to write 1 plus 9 upon 35. That is 1 9 upon 35. See, it is the number which is not divisible by any of the number. Both the number are not divisible by same number. So we are keeping it the same as it is. Okay, if it was like in the previous question, as we have saw that we can divide it, so we have did, but here we are not able to divide, so we are keeping the number as it is. Okay, now the next method is, let me show you the next okay, d2 upon 5 minus 2 1 upon 7. So basically, as we did there in addition, the same we are going to follow, that 3 multiply by 5 plus 2 upon 5 minus 2 multiply by 7 plus 1 upon 7. Okay, which is then equal to 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17 upon 5 minus 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 upon 7. Then we have to make these fractions as like fraction. So 17 upon 5 into 7 upon 7 minus 15 upon 7 into 5 upon 5, which is then equal to 119 upon 35 minus 75 upon 35. Okay, which is then equal to 119 minus 75 upon 35, which is equal to 44 upon 35. If I convert this improper fraction into a mixed number, we're going to get 19 upon 35, the same which we have shown you in the first method. Okay, now moving to the practice set 10. I think you all understood how to add the fractions and how to subtract the fractions. So let me show you first question. It's 6 1 upon 3 plus 2 1 upon 3. It's very simple. We are going to direct, we can add this, we can apply both method 1 or method 2 to add this. Okay, so let me do it by first method only. So according to first method, we are going to add this two numbers plus the fractions we have, 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 3. As these fractions are like fractions, we don't have to do much effort. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 1 plus 1 is your 2 upon 3. So our answer is 8 2 upon 3. Okay, we don't need to simplify it further because this is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Next is our 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 2. We can again apply first method only, 1 plus 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. Now here the fractions are there, are improper fractions. We have to make those fractions as like fraction. To make those like fraction, I will going to multiply 1 by 2 into 2 upon 2. Then we'll get the answer 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4, which is then equal to 4 3 upon 4. We can't divide it further, so our answer is same, though it is there. Okay, then our next question is 5 1 by 5 plus 2 1 by 7. Again we can add both the numbers, 5 plus 2 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 7. Then 5 plus 2 is 7 plus, now we have to make both the fractions as like fractions. So to make it like fraction, I'm multiplying 1 by 5 into 7 upon 7 plus 1 by 7 multiplied by 5 upon 5. Then we'll get 7 plus 7 upon 35 plus 5 upon 35, which is equal to 7. 7 plus 5, that is 12 upon 35. Our answer is there. Then next is 3 1 by 5 plus 2 1 by 3. Let's do this by second method. So 3 multiply by 5 plus 1 upon 5 and 2 multiply by 3 plus 1 upon 3. Okay, which is then equal to 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, 16 upon 5 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 3. Now we have to make these fractions as like fraction. To make it, we are going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3, and 7 by 3 will be multiplied by 5 upon 5, which is then equal to 16 3s are 48 and 5 3s are 15 plus 7 5s are 35 upon 15, which is then equal to 83 upon 15. If I convert this in the mixed number, we'll get the number as mixed number. I'll get this 5 8 upon 15. The answer will be same. Now let's do question number 2, that is subtraction. 3 1 upon 3 minus 1 1 upon 4. Okay, so 3 minus 1 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. We're going to get 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 plus. Now we have to make this fraction like fractions to subtract it. Yes, so 1 by 3 multiplied by 4 upon 4 minus 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 3, which is then equal to 2 plus 4 ones are 4 upon 12 minus 3 upon 12, which is then equal to 2 plus 4 minus 3 upon 12, that is 2 plus 1 upon 12, which is equal to 2 1 upon 12. Okay, next number is 5 1 upon 2 minus 3 1 upon 3. Okay, let's solve this. Let's use second method to solve it. We can use by first method as well or second method as well. So let's use second method. 5 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 3, which is then equal to 11 upon 2 minus 10 upon 3. Now let's make this fraction as like fraction. So to make it, we're going to multiply 11 upon 2 by 3 and upon 3 minus 10 upon 3 will multiply by 2 upon 2, which is then equal to 33 upon 6 minus 20 upon 6, which is then equal to 13 upon 6. And when I convert this improper fraction into mixed number, I'm going to get as 2 1 upon 6, which is correct. Okay. Now next is 7 1 upon 8 minus 6 1 upon 10. So let's do it by first method only. 7 minus 6 plus 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 1 upon 10. So 7 minus 6 is 1 plus. Now we have to make this as like fraction. To make it like fraction, I'm going to multiply both the sides. So I'll get the answer 1 plus 10 upon 80 minus 8 upon 80, which is then equal to 1 plus 2 upon 80, that is 1 2 upon 80, or we can write it as 1 1 upon 40 by further simplifying it. Okay. Then next is our 7 1 upon 2 minus 3 1 upon 5. Let's do it by second method. So when I'm going to multiply 7 when I multiply 7 by 2 and plus 1, I'm going to get 15 upon 2 minus 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 upon 5. Yes, now let's multiply this and make this like fraction. 15 upon 2 we're going to multiply by 5 upon 5, and 16 upon 5 we're going to multiply by 2 upon 2. We're going to get answer as 75 upon 10 minus 32 upon 10, which is then equal to 43 upon 10. When I convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, I'm going to get 4 3 upon 10. Okay, now let's solve this problem. What is the question given here? Suyash bought 2 1 by 2 kg of sugar and Ashish bought 3 1 by 2 kg of kg. How much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar cost 32 rupees per kg, how much did they spend on sugar they bought? सी सबसे पहले सुयश ने कितना शुगर लेकर आया 2 1/2 मीन्स 2.5 किलो, एंड आशीष ने कितना लाया 3.5 किलो. अगर 1 किलो शुगर की प्राइस 32 रुपीज है, तो फिर हाउ मच डिड दे स्पेंड ऑन द शुगर दे बॉट, तो उन्होंने कितना खर्चा किया जो शुगर उन लोगों ने लाया है उसके ऊपर. सो द अमाउंट ऑफ शुगर दे बॉट ऑल टुगेदर इज 2 1/2 प्लस 3 1/2. हमें यहाँ पे टोटल पूछा है ना, कितना टोटल स्पेंड किया है. हमें सबसे पहले ये दोनों नंबर्स को ऐड करना पड़ेगा. जब हम इसको ऐड करेंगे, so we can directly add 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 means 5/2 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 7/2. When now this is the like fraction, so we can directly add it. 7 plus 5 is your 12/2, that is 6 kg totally. See, when we are going to divide it, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, so therefore we got the 6 kg. Now therefore the cost of 1 kg sugar is 32. Yes, is rupees 32. Therefore, the cost of 6 kg of sugar will be 6 into 32, that is 192 rupees. Yes, hence they spend rupees 192 on the sugar they bought. Okay. Next question. What is said there? Aradhana grows potatoes in 2/5 part of her garden, greens in 1/3 part, and brinjals in the remaining part. On how much of her plot did she plant brinjals? Okay. So यहाँ पे बोला क्या है कि आराधना के पास 2/5 पार्ट है जिसमें वो पोटैटो ग्रो करती है. ठीक है, गार्डन का 2/5 पार्ट जो है वो उसमें वो गार्डन पोटैटो ग्रो करती है, और 1/3 पार्ट ग्रीन्स है, और जो बाकी का बचा हुआ पार्ट है वो आपका ब्रिंजल का पार्ट है. तो बाकी का बचा हुआ पार्ट कितना है? सो विल गोइंग टू subtract it. So let's write the given. The part of the garden in which Aradhana grew brinjal is given by 1 minus 2/5 minus 1/3. Okay. Now we have to subtract it. Now the plot is 1, from which 2 by 5 part is your potato, 1 by 3 part is for greens, and the remaining part is for brinjal. So we have to make this fraction. See, there is nothing in the denominator of 1, means there is 1. Yes, so we have to make these 3 fractions as a like fraction. So we're going to 1 by 1 multiply by all the fractions. Now if there is no number by which multiplying 3 will get 5, or by multiplying 5 will get 3, so we are going to multiply the number by which we'll get the common number. So now we are going to multiply this both number, as we will going to get 15. So we are multiplying here 15 upon 15 minus 2 upon 5 into 3 minus 1 upon 3 into 5 upon 5. Then we're going to get as 15 upon 15 minus 6 upon 15 minus 5 upon 15, which is then equal to 4. See, 15 minus 6, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 upon 15. Hence, Aradhana grows brinjals in 4 by 15 part of the region. I hope you all understand this question. Now, next question. Now what is asked here? Sandeep filled water in 4 by 7 of an empty tank. After that, Ramakant filled 1 by 4 part more of the same tank. Then Umesh used the 3 by 14 part of the tank to water the garden. If the tank has a maximum capacity of 560 liters, how many liters of water will be left in the tank? तो यहाँ पे बोला क्या है कि संदीप ने एक एम्प्टी टैंक को कितना पानी से भरा? 4 by 7 पानी से भर दिया. रमाकांत ने 1 by 4 पार्ट भरा और उमेश ने 3 by 14 पार्ट भर दिया उसका. तो नहीं भरा नहीं. उमेश ने 3 by 14 पार्ट जो था टैंक का, उसमें से उसने पानी का यूज किया गार्डन में डालने के लिए. अब वो जो टैंक की कैपेसिटी है मैक्सिमम, वो 560 लीटर्स है. अब उसके अंदर हाउ मेनी लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर विल बी लेफ्ट इन द टैंक? तो अब उसके अंदर कितने लीटर पानी बचे? सबसे पहले हमारे पास गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन, संदीप फील्ड वाटर that was 4 by 7, which was then equal to Ramakant filled water 1 by 4. Used by Umesh was 3 by 14. And the capacity of a tank was 560 liters. So therefore, water left in the tank is equal to water filled by Sandeep plus water filled by Ramakant minus water used by Umesh. Therefore, 4 upon 7 plus 1 upon 4 minus 3 upon 14, which is equal to, see, we have to make this fractions as the like fractions. So when we are going to make this fraction as like fraction, we are going to get as 16 upon 28 plus 7 upon 28, which is minus 3 upon 14. We are going to get 16 plus 7 is 23. 16 plus 7 upon 28 minus 3 upon 14, which is equal to 23 upon 28 minus 3 upon 14. So to make this like fraction, now to subtract this number, we have to make this like fraction. So we're going to write it as 23 upon 28 minus 3 upon 14 multiply by 2 upon 2, which we're going to get as 23 upon 28 minus 6 upon 28, which is then equal to 23 minus 6 upon 28, that is 17 upon 28. Okay. Now, so therefore, water left in the tank is equal to 17 upon 28. And we can write it as remaining water is equal to 17 upon 28 of 560. So to multiply, then we're going to get the answer that remaining water is 340 liters. Therefore, our last answer will be the tank will be left with 340 liters of water. So with this, I end this session. Thank you so much. I hope you all understand this chapter very properly. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and be join with us. If you understand the topic, like the video, share this video with your friends to let them also understand. Thank you so much.